rapid access to comprehensive oncology data and survival analysis. This is the OncoToolkit.
All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to go from a raw CSV file to a full publication-ready survival analysis in under 2 minutes. Yep, you heard that right.
First things first, we need to get our data in. You're just going to click Upload your CSV. For this walkthrough, we'll just use the Try Demo Data button to get going right away. Just a quick heads up, make sure your data is prepped and ready. You absolutely need 3 columns to make this work: a time column, an events column, and your treatment column. That's the core of it.
Okay, now for the most critical part of the whole setup, the configuration.
So in step 2, you just have to map those core columns: time, event, and treatment. Super easy. Then for all your other features, just tell the tool if they're categorical or numeric.
And here's a pro tip. This one is really important. Try to avoid using numbers like 0 and 1 for your categories. It can sometimes confuse the models. If you've got that in your data, no problem. Just run it through our CSV Polisher tool first to switch those numbers to proper text labels. And for any numeric features you have, you'll want to select grouped mode. This is awesome because it automatically creates high versus low cohorts for you, which is exactly what you need to generate Kaplan-Meier curves from continuous data. With the configuration all set, we're ready to stratify the data and actually run the analysis. So in step 4, you'll choose how to split up your numeric data. We usually recommend the median split because it does a great job of creating nicely balanced groups for your comparison. Next up, for your categorical columns, you need to set a reference level. So for instance, if you set the treatment reference to A, it means all the results will show the effect of B versus A. Makes sense, right? And believe it or not, that's it for this setup. Just click Run Survival Analysis, and the results are going to pop up pretty much instantly.
Okay, results are in. Let's do a really quick rapid-fire validation of the key outputs.
The very first thing you're going to do is scroll down to step 5. This is your first checkpoint, the chi-square test. You're just looking at that p-value to make sure your baseline characteristics are balanced between the treatment groups.
All right, next, just hop down to step 6, the Univariate forest plot. This gives you the raw, unadjusted hazard ratio. Think of it as your first signal.
Then you move right on to step 7 for the multivariate model. Now, this is crucial. You're checking the adjusted hazard ratio here to confirm that the treatment effect is real and holds up, even after accounting for other variables.
Step 8 gives you that great visual evidence with the Kaplan-Meier curves. And right below the plot, you'll find the hard numbers you need, the log-rank p-value, and the survival probabilities at specific times.
We are almost done. We'll just check for subgroup effects and then export the whole thing.
Now for the final analytical step, and it's a big one. In step 9, you're looking for interaction p-values. This tells you if your treatment works differently in specific patient subgroups. Is it more effective in some patients than others? This is where you find out.
And to wrap it all up, you just click Export All Results. This packages everything, every single high-resolution plot and formatted table into one tidy zip file. It's totally ready for your manuscript.
And just like that, you've gone from a raw CSV to a full publication-ready survival analysis. Done.